Y'all, we're learning from experience and finding solutions today. This last adventure presented me with a few challenges. Number one being I didn't have enough headroom. Y'all, I had like 20 inches of headroom. That bed came all the way up to here. Our goal today is to get it closer to here. We want to give ourselves close to 10 more inches of headroom, and we're going to do that by cutting the legs on this platform, and we're going to cut these drawers so they're not as tall and they'll still slide up under there easily. Y'all, every day we're presented with some kind of problem, and it's important to be able to find solutions. Well, I discovered other problems on that first adventure. Maybe I had too much stuff. Y'all, I've tried to put it into necessaries, and those are maybes. Y'all, these are things that I consider necessary. Safety is important. Being able to self-recover, that's important. It may be summertime, but it gets cold in the desert. I still may need that heater. Extra batteries. Maybe I only need one extra canister of fuel instead of two. One hammock instead of two. But I need flashlights. I'm always going to keep that toolbox and that chainsaw and my first aid kit. They're always going to be with me. But maybe I don't need stuff to go kayaking. Wet shoes and phone holder and kayak tethers and so many extra flashlights. Maybe the kite is a definite maybe. I like to fly a kite. But the point is I'm trying to reevaluate. Because the less cluttered you are, the easier and the more enjoyable your camping experience will be. And these are lessons I've learned from this last trip, y'all. So that's what today is. We're reconfiguring, we're learning from experience and finding solutions, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. And that's what we're about to do. I'm gonna bring you back when I get it reconfigured and show you what I've done. Thanks for watching.